Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be discussing TapTap Send, Remitly and Wise, and which money transfer app saves you the most in 2025. So let's get right into it. So starting with TapTap Send, it is built for simplicity, fast setup, minimal steps and mobile first design as you can see over here. It often has no fees but builds cost into exchange rate which is a great for low value transfer. Now, if I talk about speed, it has a build for instant mobile wallet transfers, which is usually within minutes. It is ideal for remittance to Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Now, if I compare TapTap Send with the next app we have here, which is Remitly, it offers both express and economy transfers with a clean, easy to navigate app. It charges variable fee based on the speed and location, which is basically Express is faster but more expensive. Now, if I talk about speed, it gives you choice on Express is basically in minutes and economy takes few days. And it supports over 150 countries with banks, mobile and cash pickup options. Now at the end, I'll discuss about Wise. Wise, which is formerly known as TransferWise, is slightly more detailed, but gives full control over every part of the transfer. It is transparent so you see the real exchange rate and pay a low upfront fee, often the best value overall. Now, if I talk about the speed, it typically delivers in 1 to 2 days, though the same day transfer are possible in major corridors. And then if I talk about countries and the flexibility in that, so Wise has a basically it covers 70 plus countries focusing on bank to bank and business transfers. And as you can see on the sites, it is pretty visible. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in deciding between TapTap Sand, Remitly, and Wise. Thank you so much for watching.